your boy Adi, and we have another great food challenge. We have ewa, which is beans, ewa going, and we have bread that is from what is it? Buku company. That, you know, their bread is always very bukos and bukid. It's heavy. No, before you can't press it, it's unpressable. It's unpressable. So now we have it, and we still have we have Spanner in the building, and we have, what's the name, guy? Uniyo. We have Uniyo, and we have Wakesh father. Now Wakesh father. So we have Coke. So guys, this Coke, it is not a must that you finish it. Listen for the instruction. This Coke is not a must that you must finish it. Okay. But you can use it to quench your throat in case you're choking. Don't forget, if you win this challenge, you stand a chance to win 40,000 naira cash.
Let's go.
40K cash. Yes. So now, please don't
choke yourself.
Don't try to impress anybody. Don't try to impress anybody. But if you're choking and if you're tired, please give up. Give up. So, are you guys ready? Are you ready?
Okay.
Game starts.
Fast.
Go Spanner. Hey.
Waken Spanner.
Spanner, let's go there.
Uniho, Spanner, Uniho.
Go Spanner. Spanner.
Spanner gets started.
Spanner.
He has strategy.
Uniho.
He has strategy.
Father. Wakesh. Spanner. Strategy.
Ah, it's okay. We'll come down. No, take a easy.
Spanner is cook inside the bread.
Yeah.
Spanner will do at the bread.
Strategy.
Why go in it?
Bread will get butter.
Hey, say in cook in it. Oh, so you go and finish it with a while ago, man.
Spanner is winning the 40K.
Hey,
ladies and gentlemen,
Father is about to do it. Oh,
winning the 40K. Spanner is going.
Spanner
is going.
Shut down, Spanner. Come on, take and go in.
No, this my guy. This my guy. Easy.
You just swallow.
He take easy. They go. We are not able to see him. Slow and steady.
No, Spanner is going.
Spanner gets strategy.
Spanner get strategy.
He gets strategy.
Oh, this guy will finish you.
No, but the Spanner they pass him. Spanner they pass him.
Spanner don't finish.
Spanner don't finish.
I don't see Jonah be equal. Let's go there. You butter the bread with some coke. You make it soft. Yes, sir.
No, don't touch anybody. Don't touch anybody.
They can know.
I want the boss. Can we bet outside?
No.
I want to bet money.
Stop, please.
Spanner.
Na strategy.
Come inside, though. Come inside.
Na strategy.
Yeah. Can you imagine Spanner?
Don't be by
Spanner.
Uniho, and we finish.
Don't be by church.
Then they win you.
Wakesh is going there.
Uniho,
Spanner is doing it.
Joe walking. Don't be church.
Wakesh they
Play the show.
I swear, the guy, nobody they the guy.
Just come down the play the show. Under the ribs. Under the ribs, the Methodist boys. You know, our head boy that year.
I swear.
Spanner. What do you go back?
Senior boy.
Ladies and gentlemen, Spanner is about to finish.
He's about to deduce.
Spanner.
my guy.
See this guy, yo. This guy never drink any water.
Methodist boys. So him na go that.
You don't even.
Wakesh.
Wakesh, you don't even do it. You don't even stress, so.
He's wakeshing the food.
Wakesh, come on your cap. No, we see your face.
This guy don't even. They eat, oh.
Guy, this guy is swallow
swallowing
that.
easy.
Spanner.
Yeah,
Don't touch anybody. Spanner, where's that friend?
Spanner is going.
My God.
You know, Spanner is going fast.
Spanner.
Ha.
Hey.
Heat is doing some men.
Spanner is
no
going.
matter the butter the bread with some cake.
Swallow the bread.
Hello, Spanner, are you there?
Spanner, are you
Are
okay?
you sure? No, hello. Are you there? This guy,
He's a brother, a senior brother of Likesh. You know that boy?
Wakesh to
Likesh, yeah. Now them.
Spanner is going, no.
Try.
Spanner is going, no.
Try.
Spanner is going, no. Spanner is going, no.
Lord of God.
Hey!
What you love?
Hey! Try.
Marcus, let's go. Marcus, let's go.
Man.
Marcus, let's go.
Hey!
Okay.
Hey! Spanner, I can see.
Okay, now.
Lord of
Spanner, you did for everywhere.
God.
Spanner, you did for everywhere. You did for everywhere.
Spanner.
Strategy.
They will jump their meat, oh.
No meat. Now beans are
Marcus.
Spanner never like meat.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, No, bread and beans now.
Marcus is there.
Ladies and gentlemen, Spanner. I say coke to wet your throat. Go, coach.
Spanner, go. I don't see the red going. See Spanner.
Shut down!
Ladies and gentlemen, Spanner is your winner of the... My guy, you're just eating gently. You don't even need anybody to disturb you.
Total shutdown.
But this guy is another person when they eat fast, guys. This guy is another person that is eating fast. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Spanner is your winner.
Don't finish your bread.
Spanner is your winner. But there's another person that is eating that we don't see. See this guy? See, he's finished. He don't finish already.
Likesh brother.
This guy eats
My guy is in the chop.
and steady and he can eat. My guy, you can chop. Alright, Spanner is the winner. Upon say we say Spanner may slow down. But still, so please, ladies and gentlemen, who is the winner? Spanner! I beg, greet Spanner, you know it's. Greet Spanner, you know it's. Greet. Alright, thank you so much and God bless you. Please make sure you share and comment, please.